Good morning, actually good afternoon. We're riding this Pinterest wave. If you watched my last video, we made those cute ass clay rings. Well, today we're gonna go on those like aesthetic picnics. I will say that the main reason why I'm doing this is because I got a package from Marc Jacobs yesterday and it was a literal picnic basket. I think it's right there. Oh, you can't see it. Right there. This is the picnic basket. I was like, okay, I want to use this ASAP, so I made a plan with my friend Arja to go on a little picnic. We're so cute. We're too cute. It's 2 o'clock and my friend's gonna pick me up at 4, but before she picks me up, I want to go to like a grocery store and get like strawberries and a cake and those wine glasses. Oh, we're doing this. I've been wanting to do this for so long and it's a beautiful day out. This is like the perfect time to do this. Wow, I'm so excited. Let's go. I'm here with my favorite person, even though she hates me.
No.
Seatbelt time. Here. Oh, we got strawberries and grapes. Cake secure. Got my picnic basket ready. It's from Marc Jacobs. They were so kind to send a whole ass picnic set. We've got blankets, food, snacks, portable cups, pink lemonade, all secure. Before we go on our picnic, I want to introduce today's sponsor. Warby Parker can provide you with anything you need regarding eye care, both in stores and online. And this includes eyeglasses, sunglasses, contact lenses, and eye exams. As many of you know, I've been wearing glasses since I was like 6 and I started wearing contacts at 12. So when it comes to eye care, I really look for affordability and accessibility, because as if being blind isn't an inconvenience enough, like I don't want to have to deal with all the other stuff. So Warby Parker is a really great option because it's both accessible and really affordable. Due to COVID, I've kind of been hesitant to go into an eye store and like pick out frames and just try on a bunch of things because I don't really think that's entirely safe, which is why I was really excited about their home try on kit. Basically take a super simple and short quiz about your face shape and your preferred frame shape, and they provide you with like tons of different options. You have 5 days to pick out your favorite frame, and if you didn't have a favorite, you have absolutely no obligation to buy. Regardless of if you have a favorite or not, you send back all of your frames with the prepaid return shipping label, and if you did have a favorite, they will send you back the glasses that you chose with your prescription, or if you don't have a prescription, without the prescription, and it's that simple. This was my try on kit, and I want to show you guys the glasses that I picked out and my favorites. These were my favorite ones. They're called the Percy, and they have this really nice like tortoise shell. I love it. Oh wow, I look so smart. So these are my favorite ones, and then this one's really cool because it's blue. These are the Keen ones. I think that's how you pronounce it. As you can tell, I really like this like overall shape. Literally all of the glasses that I got are in that shape because I just really like it. I don't know why. And then these are the classic pairs that I get. Literally every time I want to get a pair of glasses, I just get this frame. These are the Simons, and they're very thin, like just very elegant, just boom. Harry Potter vibes, a little bit, but I like that. Like I love it a lot. Like I said, you can order 5 different pair of glasses to try at home for free for 5 days, and you will absolutely have no obligation to buy. It ships for free and it includes the prepaid shipping label, so you do not have to step outside of your room to do any of this, which is what I like to hear. You can visit warbyparker.com/nelsani to try out their free at-home program. As I always do, I'm gonna leave the link to Warby Parker in my description so you guys can check it out. But now, let's go on our picnic. Oh, okay, well, never mind. We're blinded by the lights. Okay, well,
Wait, then I can't see the road. That's so irritating.
The 2 amateur drivers. Will they come out of this ride alive?
Prematurely switching lanes.
Okay, you're fine, you're fine. Arja just picked me up. We're kind of under a time crunch because the sun sets exactly at 6 and it's 4:45, so we need to get to the Palisades in a short amount of time on a Saturday with traffic during rush hour. Watch us get there at like fucking dark.
5:11. That means we have 50 minutes, but with parking, I'm guessing it's 40. I think we could do it. Bitch, we're gonna have to.
Hey guys, guess where we are? This is the view. This is our picnic area. The grass ain't really green on this side, but the view is worth it.
That view.
This view.
Oh, wow.
She's the view. So this is like round 1 of her meal. Then we're gonna have like fruits and cake. So that's gonna be round 2. Oh, guys, it's not as easy as I make it look.
Okay,
That's concerning.
turn it around, you have so much more on the other side. There's people. They're sneaking in through the fence.
These are a bust. Literally, like, RJ gonna be able to do it. Oh, shoot. We packed everything up. We're gonna take all this to the car. Oh my god, wait, let's tell them. Let's tell them the news as well. Okay, guess where you got into college?
I got into NYU.
We're class of 2025. Because there's not really much to do because of like COVID and stuff, what we did last time we hung out is we went to the parking lot of a mall and played games on her Tesla. And we spent like a good hour and a half. We spent an hour and a half.
Time flew by.
And yeah, and you can like compete with other cars. So that's the plot. Like it or like it. It's what happens when amateurs drive. Takes one to know one.
That was just the worst experience of my life. I hate seeing people behind me just look at me.
Hey guys, I got home. It's 8 p.m. I changed into some like comfy clothes, took off my makeup, and what I'm gonna do now is just read. Every day I try to read for at least an hour, usually from 8 to 9, and I'm currently reading Sense and Sensibility. This is a school reading book, so my non-school reading book is this one, and this is called Never Split the Difference, Negotiating as if your life depended on it. I wouldn't say this book necessarily teaches you how to manipulate people, but it tells you how to use your communication skills to the greatest potential so you can always get what you want. So it's a book about like negotiating, and you always end up winning because of the way you communicate. If you're into psychology or anything like that, I would really recommend this book because it talks about like why the other person is more likely to, you know, like be open to your ideas if you communicate it in this certain way. It's a really good book, so I'd really recommend it. And Sense and Sensibility is not that good of a book, so I'm not gonna recommend that. So yeah, that's the current plan.